Hi viewers, welcome back. I come up with another video. Today's video is about this starter. Actually, I brought this starter from the JCB Boom Loader. The boom loader was not starting, so I removed this starter. So now I'm going to check outside. Okay, you can see I fixed this starter is 12 volt. So I made the connections. Okay, so now I'm going to check it here. Okay, so this wire I fixed it already. You see downside I put this wire. Okay, so I'm going to check. You can see so this starter is working already. Working. You watch, the motor is working good one, but this pinion is not coming out. The function of this pinion is to engage with the flywheel. When this pinion is engaged with the flywheel, then engine start rotating. So I will try to clean this area. This is not electrical problem. This is the mechanical problem. So when I clean this area, so this pinion will become free and it will easily come out and engage to the flywheel. So I am going to clean. So you can say I am cleaning this area. Okay, so this pinion will become free. Yeah. I already removed too much mud from here. So I am using this WD-40 for cleaning it. There was too much mud and also it was rusting. So I already cleaned now, as you can see. Now it's become free. And after a complete cleaning, I will show you it's working or not. When it becomes free, so it will easily come out and it will be ready to engage with the flywheel. So I hope it will work. So after cleaning, I show you. I've made again connections. Okay, you can see I'm going to test it. So here you can see I'm going to test it. So you can see now it's working good. You can see this one. So this area you can see now working okay. Yeah. Before it was not working out. So now it's working. There's no problem. No, not any more problem. Starter is working. So just I clean this area. This pinion was not coming out. I clean it. There's too much mud. Now it's working good. It is ready to fix back to the machine. So now I'm going to fix it back. Yes, now I have come to the machine shed. I am going to fix in the machine. Now it is ready for fixing. So I am going to fix it. So this is area where we'll fix it one, and after it I start the machine. Okay. So here you can say we have fixed the starter motor back. Okay, now we are going to start it. Start. So here you watched. Now my machine has started. My problem has solved. Hope you like this video.